teams from Bahamas, we have El Salvador, and all of them are here and ready for your address, Your Excellency. Welcome, Your Excellency.
Thank you, General Otongi. On behalf of the Haitian people, on behalf of the Haitian government, on behalf of the President. Yes, sir. Yes, I was saying on behalf of the Haitian people, on behalf of the Haitian government, on behalf of the Presidential Council, I want to convey my condolences to the MSS mission in Haiti. It is a difficult time for us today in Haiti. A difficult time because of the violence that is being spread all over the country, and particularly in the West and the Artibonite regions. We want to thank you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for your services, but also thank you for your sacrifices. I know this is a very difficult mission. It is difficult for you, who is right now in Haiti, who are right now in Haiti, but it is also difficult for your family. We want to say thank you for the Kenyan people. Thank you for the Salvadorian people. Thank you for the Guatemala people who are here with us today in Haiti. For us, of course, it is a difficult situation, but also what we are looking at, when we see the courage that you put in the mission, when you see the determination, the will that you are putting in all that you're doing right now to make sure that we can curb this violence in Haiti, this is a great encouragement to us, a great encouragement to the Haitian people. We just want to say thank you today, and we sure that the Haitian government will do all that is possible to make sure that this mission is a success. Thank you very much, and God bless you.
Thank you.